Thanksgiving Turkeys by Merrick. Meet the Thanksgiving turkey. Fall is a great time of the year. The leaves change color, the air turns crisp and cool. Farmers pick vegetables and gather grains. On a special fall holiday called Thanksgiving, we give thanks for the good things in our lives. One thing to be thankful for is the Thanksgiving turkey. You know fall has arrived when the leaves turn yellow and orange. Trees look beautiful when this happens. What is Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is held around the time that farmers finish harvesting their crops in late fall. It's on the fourth Thursday of November in the United States. Thanksgiving in Canada is on the second Monday of October. This is because their harvest is earlier there. Farmers usually finish harvesting around the time of Thanksgiving. Then we get to eat all the delicious things they grew. Do many people celebrate Thanksgiving? Most parts of the world have special days for giving thanks. The United States was the first country to have an official Thanksgiving Day. European settlers had a difficult time when they came to North America. One reason we celebrate Thanksgiving is to remember those settlers. The first Thanksgiving happened soon after the first settlers arrived in North America. What was the first Thanksgiving like? People called pilgrims sailed from England to North America nearly 400 years ago. They had a hard time finding food until a Native American named Squanto taught them how. The pilgrims had a huge feast to celebrate. They invited the Native Americans who helped them. We now have Thanksgiving to honor the early settlers and those who helped them. The pilgrims sailed to North America on the Mayflower. They left England so they could practice their religion freely. What is the Thanksgiving turkey? Food is an important part of Thanksgiving. Most families have a big meal in the middle of the day. They might eat corn, sweet potatoes, pumpkin pie, or other tasty foods. The main dish is usually a big, juicy roasted turkey. Many people eat turkey on Thanksgiving. It's often the main food for the holiday. Why do we eat turkey? Turkey has been part of Thanksgiving since the days of the pilgrims. This is because turkey is native to North America. There were a lot of wild turkeys when the pilgrims started hunting for food in their new home. We eat turkey on Thanksgiving because people ate it at the first Thanksgiving. Turkeys were an important food for pilgrims. Hunting the wild turkeys helped feed the pilgrims. What was wild turkey? The pilgrims found wild turkeys all over eastern North America. So many people hunted wild turkeys that they almost became extinct. People today have been trying to bring wild turkeys back. Now we can find wild turkeys in almost every state. Most people now eat farm turkeys instead of hunting wild turkeys. It's easy to find turkeys in the wild today. You might have even seen one yourself. What is a farm turkey? People started catching wild turkeys and raising them on farms a long time ago. These farm turkeys do not look much like wild ones anymore. Farm turkeys are much bigger and cannot fly. Almost 300 million farm turkeys are raised every year. Most of them are eaten on Thanksgiving and Christmas. Farm turkeys look a lot different from wild ones. Many people think farm turkeys taste better than wild turkeys. How do we eat turkey? There are many different recipes for Thanksgiving turkey. You can barbecue it, roast it, or make soup with it. The turkey has become a symbol of Thanksgiving. It helps us remember the pilgrims and all the things we are thankful for. Many people stuff the turkey with other tasty foods before cooking it.